how to download Amanda the Adventurer on your PC. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on to be updated if there are new uploads. So let's go. And in here, to directly download the Amanda the Adventurer, go to your store in your Steam, and what you need to do is just to search for Amanda the Adventurer in the store, and you will see here the Amanda the Adventurer. And once you do that, just go here and then you can add to cart. But if you don't want to pay, you can also see it here, but it is not the full version. So in igg.com, you can have multiple links of the downloads, depends on what you want. And if you are done, just extract the file. It should be in your downloads and wait for it to finish extracting. Once it is finished extracting, go and click on the application so it will install, and sometimes it will directly run. So I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.